Hi, my dear friends. Today, again, we have Dr. Sufyan, prosthodontist and implantologist, and he'll be addressing and answering everything about different impression materials. So, Dr. Sufyan, welcome to Wise Dentist again.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi. Thank you once again for having me here. Last session was very nice. It was a very nice experience, and hope we have made some change in other fellow dentists' mind. And I'm looking forward for this conversation with you.
Yes, it did made a good difference, good impact because I've received several personal messages and comments on various social media platforms stating that this was indeed a very good topic which we lifted, and the people, the audience is really looking forward for many such more topics. So we are not going to let you rest, and we are going to call you again and again for such insightful and nuggetful conversations.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi. I'm always there for any kind of knowledge sharing. So anything is there, just let me know.
Making first impression as a dentist, as a good human being is always important. But for us dentists and doctors, there is one more impression which should be perfect, and that is dental impression. So today we are going to speak all about dental impression material. If you remember our nostalgic days, alternate impressions, पेशेंट के माउथ में पूरा भर के हम गैग न जाने कितने बार पेशेंट गैग किए होंगे और तब हमें हमारे सीनियर्स हमें मेंटोर्स हमें गाइड करते रहे बट अब हम वैसा नहीं करते ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट बट हम एकदम प्रिसाइज और परफेक्ट होना चाहते हैं इसीलिए हमने डॉक्टर सुफियान को इनवाइट किया है सो डॉक्टर सुफियान
यस
कैन वी बिगिन
यस प्लीज
Okay, so if you could tell us which impression material is good and what are your reasons supporting that?
Yeah, as you said, बहुत सारे nostalgic moments है. First time impression making was all mess, alginate and impression compound जो भी हम manipulation करते थे first year, second years. It is a very good experience, and now yeah, this is very basic of any crown and bridge or any kind of restoration which we want to do. So which material is good for impression making? Before knowing which material is best, Dr. Ravi, we need to know what is the purpose of making that impression. Whether you're making it just for a diagnostic purpose or a definitive model or just for a treatment planning or any orthodontic purposes. So we need to choose the material according to what is the purpose of making that impression. So once we get to know the purpose, then we have various indications for each materials and we have various scenarios.
Okay, so if you could tell us materials as per the different scenarios, you yourself, if you can let us know all the different scenarios and different materials which suits the scenario.
Yes. As I said, material indication, see, if it's diagnostic or any primary impression, of course, alginate to hai. First thing which comes to my alginate mix karo, then we'll take a impression. First visit patient jab bhi aayega, diagnostic impression, alginate mix karke, then we'll make an alginate impression that is for diagnostic or just a treatment planning or just patient education ke liye, how to plan a treatment. So alginate or edentulous agar aaya to fir impression compound will be our primary impression. Most of the dentists, they don't prefer impression compound, manipulation, garam pani chahiye, and it is a mess and everything. Secondary mein dekha jayega, we'll see. But using this impression compound is very much indicated for edentulous situations. And having said that, final impressions agar hame chahiye to fir material of choice would be obviously silicone based for dentulous one, and edentulous ke liye then we need to do border molding or secondary impression with zinc oxide or any medium body water molding, and then a light body ka wash impression le sakte hain. That is the indication for different material of choices.
Okay. And how about if we ask you, ki, how about rubber-based materials for fixed processes or implants? I mean, if you could let us know about that as well.
Yes, rubber-based materials, although it is very cumbersome or not that economical, or many of the dentists don't prefer using this as a first choice. One thing is economical, as I said, not that economical when compared to alginate or any other materials. But these are definitely dimensionally stable material, which is available now in the market, and they record very fine surface details, and which is very much in need in our day-to-day practice. Any crown or any bridge work we work in a finish line or margin of 0.81 or 1.2 millimeters. And in such scenarios, we need to have an impression material which will record those finer details as well. When we talk about recording this one, of course, silicone impressions are very much preferred over the other alginate impressions for crown and bridge work especially. And I know alginates are very economical and बहुत easy है manipulate करने के लिए. अपने assistant भी है, they'll just learn within very few go. And रबर बेस्ड मटेरियल्स के लिए फिर लेटेक्स वी कांट यूज. ग्लव्स से अगर स्टार्ट करेंगे, सिलिको नाइट्राइल ग्लव्स चाहिए, विनाइल ग्लव्स चाहिए मिक्स करने के लिए. एंड वी हैव अ स्पेशल टेक्निक. एंड देन मेनी ऑफ द डेंटिस्ट दे फियर, अगर ये इंप्रेशन खराब हुआ तो फिर ये मटेरियल तो वेस्ट गया, मुझे और एक दूसरा मटेरियल और एक बार करना पड़ेगा. तो ये फियर रख के देन मोस्ट ऑफ द डेंटिस्ट दे विल बी लाइक, okay, we'll get just take alginate impression, lab wala jo bhi hai, he will just take care of. This is the mindset what we have in our initial days of practice, which I would not suggest to. Obviously, when you give a good impression, that is a basic from our side, which is going out of our clinic for any lab work. Agar impression acha hai to fir our models, definitive models will be very good. Working casts, working dies अच्छे रहेंगे. When that is good, obviously the outcome of the crown and bridge work or any prosthesis work which you are doing, it will be very good. Say be it just crown and bridge or any denture work भी अगर कर रहे हैं तो फिर primary impression is such a very basic one, and secondary one will be very special one which we need to concentrate on. And technician, he will just do a work, एंड देन जब लैब से काम आएगा कास्ट पे एकदम परफेक्ट मस्त अच्छा वाला फिट है, नाइस ग्लॉस, नाइस ग्लेज है and everything, and then when you put in patient's mouth and there is open margin or the crown is not fitting well, then obviously हम लोग तो technician पे ही blame करते हैं, oh he didn't do the good job, lab अच्छा नहीं है and all that. And one more thing what happens is हम लोग alginate impression ले लेते हैं and we don't pour by ourselves. We'll be like, lab वाला आएगा तो he'll take it and go. Alginate impression is such material that it will start shrinking or it will start imbibing water or any moisture within just 20 or 30 minutes of time. Dimensionally not that stable, and many of us dip alginate impression in bowl of water or wrap it with gauze and keep it in fridge or hang it over the near the wash basin or whatever is it. So by doing this, we are just playing around with that impression. We, however good the alginate impression is, but if you don't pour on time, obviously the dimensions will be changed. Unlike the silicone impression, just if we can take a chance in silicone impression, we don't need to pour, we can directly send to the lab. Even though it's a bit delayed, it's okay. There will be no shrinkage or any much dimensionally changes will be there in the material.
Okay, so everything is self-explanatory. You've guided almost everything. But if you could tell us, yeah, I have understood, yes, that taking a putty impression, light body impression is a very wise thing to do. But is it really worth taking rubber-based impressions? If you could guide us.
Yes, definitely it is worth using. although economically not, it is not that compatible with, competent with other material which is there, alginate, which is easily available and which is which can be easily used. But rubber-based materials over a period of time have evolved, and many companies are coming up with very much economical also when compared to what we used to do before. We have very good materials, and definitely we need to invest on this. Why? First reason is, if our impressions are good, as I said, crowns are good. Just in case वो crown fit नहीं हुआ जो हम दूसरे material से लिए थे, then we need to repeat all the procedure again, and moreover the time. By doing this, we are setting a patient's mindset into that डॉक्टर साहब ने अच्छा काम नहीं किया, फिर we start blaming lab and everything, then our practice will not be that good. So patient doesn't want to come back just for repetition of the work. And nowadays patients are very much educated, and they are very much they very much know the materials as well, and what lab and what is the type of treatment we do. So I would suggest to use start using rubber based materials for any smaller processes or smaller prosthetic work as well.
But what about at the initial of practice? Because everybody at the initial of practice, finances are always in mind. So सबको alginate impression थोड़ा reasonable पड़ता है. Initial में उन्हें लगता है कि अगर गलत हो गया या घबराहट में हमने रिपीट भी करना पड़ा, हमारा कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा, हमारा जल्दी भी हो जाएगा और थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट तो चल जाता है. So how do you justify that? Is at the initial of practice में how crucial, how important is for a dentist to start choosing the rubber based material? How does that builds his practice?
Yes, we all prefer in the initial days of practice, we want to do some cost cutting for sure, but not at an expense of losing our practice in a long term. So okay, if a dentist want to use a rubber based material, say example के लिए एक single crown है, premolar है या फिर molar है, which is distal में natural teeth है, anterior में natural teeth है, there's a proper occlusal stop, then no need to take a complete silicone impression, rubber based impression full arch का, ठीक है, at least triple tray you can make an impression both the sides, single side, rubber base, not alginate also, rubber base पे impression ले लो, then you can send. So in this way you can cut down a little material. Bridge work I would not suggest to use an alginate for sure, because on this again there will be a concept of retraction. To try using a retraction cords as well. When we are doing some any crown and bridge work, there will be retraction which we need to see the margins well. And even though we use a retraction cord, alginate won't be able to engage that sulcal area around the margins. And even though if it engages, there will be the tear resistance is very less for the alginate, that it might tear in the sulcus, and there is no point we recording the impression where margin ही ठीक नहीं है, crown जिस पे हम लोग crown या bridge डाल रहे हैं वही ठीक नहीं है, तो फिर there is no point making a very fantastic alginate impression as well. So we'll have to keep all these things in mind. Add on to the patient's charges, okay, not too much initially. Profit मत ले लो, थोड़ा just an cost to cost, and slowly I go on adding a profit on impression material as well. Whatever you invest as a for investment material rubber base, वो थोड़ा करके cost में, treatment cost में patient पे डाल सकते हैं. पर initial days of practice, keep one box of putty and light body with you, and wherever you feel like this is very much necessary, use this. Will not take a chance during our initial days of practice. This is what I feel.
So before I let my last question, I would let users, I would let audience know कि जब मैंने अपना practice चालू किया था, it was Dr. Sufyan who pushed me, guided me कि रवि, अगर 4,000 rupees में अगर हम PFM crown दे रहे हैं, so instead of taking alginate, हमारा cost कितना पड़ेगा? For example, आप समझिए कि X amount 2000 में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3000 के आसपास समझो हमारा बेनिफिट हो रहा है। तो अगर हम एक पेशेंट में पट्टी इंप्रेशन लेना चालू करते हैं तो हमारा हमारा ओवरऑल कॉस्ट शायद 200 या लेस देन
Yes,
200 रुपीज होगा।
yes, yes,
तो आप पेशेंट को 4000 में जो क्राउन कर रहे थे वो 4200 कर दो।
correct.
आपका प्रॉफिट आप इनिशियल में उतना ही रखो,
Yes,
लेकिन आपका वर्क जो होगा वो और ज्यादा परफेक्ट होगा, आप अच्छा फील करेंगे
yes,
कि आप जो काम कर रहे हैं वो प्रिसाइज हो रहा है। लैब विल रियली अप्रिशिएट दिस।
yes,
एंड एज एंड व्हेन जैसे आप करो हो जाएंगे, आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएंगे, यू स्टार्ट चार्जिंग अ बिट मोर
yes,
than
yes,
200. So
yes,
that's how
yes.
you can build, and I thank Dr. Sufyan for this
Yes, thank
uh,
you so much, Ravi.
this thing.
And one more thing I would like to add on. Many of the labs they don't accept initial stage of practice में कैसे होता है जो भी पास में lab है और जो भी who gets a work very quickly done and as soon as we start the clinic there will be many lab people will be rushing and अपना हमारा काम दे दो, so we'll do a very good job and all this, then we get and they would obviously prefer silicone impression. And many of the lab technician they hesitate telling the doctor to give one more impression. पता नहीं डॉक्टर फिर ऐसे बोलेंगे तो फिर वापस मुझे काम देंगे कि नहीं, लेट मी हैंडल बाय माई सेल्फ एंड देयर बी एन इमेजिनरी margins finish line by the technician which will be done, and according to that we will be like we need to fit in and we don't want to send back the patient without doing the work, then we'll try to manage somehow and थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा करके crown fit हो जाना चाहिए. So we'll do this and in a long run it is not good. Obviously there'll be consequences which we'll be facing. अभी के लिए ठीक है, but initial days of practice में हुआ या फिर later also it's not advisable to do so. So we need to find such lab that who are ready to who are very well versed with managing the rubber based impression as well. So lab technician का भी एक बड़ा रोल होता है prosthetic work में.
I really appreciate that. If you could tell us impression material, अच्छा ठीक है, अल्जीनेट से हम अपने आप को प्रमोट करके हम लोग पट्टी इंप्रेशन पे आए, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर कुछ डॉक्टर्स हैं जो बोलते हैं अब अल्जीनेट ले रहे थे, अब पट्टी पे आ गए, अब रिट्रैक्शन कॉर्ड क्या जरूरी है? शायद नहीं. What are your views? How important is using a retraction cord for taking a final impression?
Yes, retraction cord is very much a part of crown and bridge work. I prefer initially, I agree that even me, I did not believe in impression cards. Only when I started PG, so we first year PG maybe start nahi kiya. When I entered second year PG, then I started using impression cards, 000, double single zero, double zero wala. But there is huge difference when you start sending this impressions with retraction cord. You will see the quality of crown fitting in patient's mouth. And when this is what I believe, if you can't see the margin, how will a lab technician see? He will draw his own impression. After then impression, just have a look at the impression properly, whether all the margins are recorded. Even though silicone में लिया है, कभी कभी after we do the retraction also, fewer times it happens that material has not flown enough. So if you feel that it is not flown enough or some, just discard it and take one more. And वैसे भी the impression cord जब use करते हैं हम लोग crown and bridge work में जो भी है, then we'd be preferring two step technique. If you feel so second impression is not very well recorded, my tip is just to remove that part of the light body and make space for the light body to flow overall. Putty cutter आता है Coltine का, just take out all the material around each of the teeth surface overall पूरा arch में. After that load that with only light body, no need to repeat the putty because putty will act as a tray. Light body load karo and then make one more impression. It's okay, maybe you'll be spending 15-20 minutes of time, but it's very good time investment than repeating the whole crown and investing a time in your time or a patient's time, and again you will be repeating whole of the procedure. And I think this would be a better idea to doing this. So retraction cords are very must. Start with whenever you start single crowns or bridges, start giving only equigingival. If it is not in aesthetic region, posteriors में equigingival is very well indicated. equigingival दे दो, उसके बाद then you start using 000 cord which is very thin, and उसके लिए अलग से cord packer भी होता है, and you start plugging it. Then उसके बाद if your 000 अकेला एक ही यूज करना है तो फिर take a little bigger one and make 2 or 3 circles rounds जाइए, चलेगा. ऐसे नहीं कि 000 यूज करना है फिर उसके बाद सिंगल 0 यूज करना है, उसके बाद इंप्रेशन लेना है, जैसे वी ऑल सी इन सोशल मीडिया एंड एवरीवेयर इन very good practice they use. We try to mimic. It's good that when we try doing this, we learn by ourselves, but for our initial you start doing this, then you will see the difference. Uske baad you can once you start using this, you will love the work and you will see the outcome is so good, and you can't work without the impression chords. This is what happened with me, just so I think this will be the same with other initial dentists also.
Yes, very rightly said. I totally agree. Like हमें हमारा बहुत सारा टाइम, हम कितने बार हम में से बहुत सारे डेंटिस्ट हैं जो अल्जीनेट इंप्रेशन सिर्फ इसलिए लेते हैं कि उनका टाइम बचेगा, लेकिन वो जैसे आपने बताया कि they tend to forget that जो टाइम उन्होंने अभी बचा है वो बाद में क्राउन एडजस्टमेंट रीवर्क में वो इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. टाइम इज मनी.
Yes, that's true.
टाइम इज वेरी, जो हम शायद इतना कंसिडर. मेरे एक और मेंटर ने मुझे बताया था कि रवि, कोई भी काम आप फर्स्ट टाइम करोगे या फर्स्ट फ्यू टाइम्स करोगे तो आपको टफ लगेगा, आपको बहुत अनोइंग लगेगा, बट आप एक टिक मार्क रख लो, आप कम से कम उसको 25 to 30 टाइम्स एटलीस्ट उसको एक अटेम्प्ट दो. 10 बार तो बेसिक एक बेंचमार्क रख दो कि कोई भी आप प्रोसीजर, कोई भी मटेरियल आप एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 टाइम्स आप यूज करो, और तब तक अगर आप एडजस्ट नहीं हुए हो तब जाके आप उसको यू से नो. तो आई थिंक कि एज एंड व्हेन हमें सीखते रहना चाहिए, स्टार्टिंग से ही परफेक्शन पे जाना चाहिए, एंड हमें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि टाइम एट द वेरी बिगिनिंग विल पे ऑफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ सक्सेस, मनी एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड ऑल्सो एक लैब गाय से मैं एक बार बात कर रहा था, तो आई सेड हु इज योर फेवरेट डॉक्टर. तो मुझे एक डेंटिस्ट का नाम पता था जो उनको बहुत सारा काम भेजते थे, तो आई थॉट कि डेफिनेटली उससे बिजनेस ज्यादा मिलता होगा तो वो उनका ही नाम लेंगे, बट टू माय सरप्राइज ही टुक समबडी एल्सेस नेम. तो मैंने बोला, आई वाज शॉक्ड. मैंने बोला ऐसे क्यों? तो बोला डॉक्टर साहब उनका काम कम आता है लेकिन उनका काम परफेक्ट आता है, प्रॉपर इंप्रेशंस रहते हैं, प्रॉपर रिट्रैक्शन रहता है, हमें कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती क्राउन बनाने में. उल्टा जिसका काम ज्यादा आता है उसका हेडेक ज्यादा आता है. तो दिस इज हाई टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड that even the lab guys, they do appreciate good work, and the doctors doing good work. So it's high time, and I think कि आपने बहुत अच्छा session को enlighten किया है by sharing all your wisdom. Dr. Sufyan, we will look forward again to call you again on Wise Dentist and to take all the nuggets from you.
Thank you so much, Ravi, for having me here once again. It was a nice session.
Take care.
See you. Bye.
Take care. Bye. Bye.